September and October months does not mark the end of the growing season. There are still plenty of blooms to keep your garden looking fabulous. This video going to share list of long blooming perennials that continue their bright blooms through end of fall season. Watch the video till the end, and do not forget to drop a like to this video for channel support. Echinacea, commonly known as coneflower, is a wonderful addition to the landscape, with its brightly colored blossoms to be enjoyed over a long flowering season including summer through fall. Echinacea flowers are large and daisy-like, with a distinctive spiky centers, comes in a range of colors, including shades of purple, pink, white, and yellow. These easy-to-grow coneflower perennials prefers full sun, and perfect choice to add front rows of flowering beds. Thru, also known as whirling butterflies, is a beautiful perennial plant that adds a delicate airy feel to gardens. Thru is excellent for adding movement and texture to borders, cottage gardens, and wildflower gardens. It's also deer-resistant and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. This long-blooming perennial adds striking airy-like foliage and attractive flowers from summer to fall gardens. Easy-to-grow asters are best flowering perennial plants, comes in a variety of shapes and colors that adds vibrant dome-shaped flowering clusters to the landscape from late summer through fall season. Asters are best fall season flowering perennial, with flowers that are in white, pink, rich purple, and showy lavender colors. Asters are best option for fall container plants, along with other fall blooms for porch area decorations. Lantana. It is valued for its bright, clustered flowers that can come in a variety of colors, including yellow, orange, red, pink, and white. These flowers often change color as they age, giving the plant a multicolored appearance. Lantana's vibrant flowers and ability to thrive in tough conditions make it a popular choice for adding long-lasting color to gardens from summer through end of fall season. Mums, known as chrysanthemums, are classic fall-blooming perennials, known for their vibrant colors and ability to bring life to autumn gardens. Mums are ideal for borders, containers, and as accent plants in the garden. They are also widely used in fall displays, often paired with pumpkins, ornamental grasses, and other autumnal plants. To ensure bushy growth and abundant blooms, pinch back the tips of the plants in early summer to encourage the plant to produce more branches and flowers. After blooming, mums can be cut back and mulched for winter protection. Sedum autumn joy. Commonly known as stonecrop, is a popular upright sedum perennial plant valued for its reliable performance, attractive foliage, and long-lasting blooms. Autumn joy flowers emerge in during summer season and gradually change color as they mature, creating a beautiful gradient effect. Sedum firecracker. It is a wonderful ground-covering plant, with succulent-type foliage and captivating pink blooms for late summer to fall season. These sedum perennials are easy to pair up with other perennials to bring vibrant curb appeal for front yards and large landscape areas. Coreopsis, also known as tickseed, produces vibrant, daisy-like flowers in shades of yellow, gold, and red. Tickseed is perfect for borders, wildflower gardens, cottage gardens, and as a ground cover. Tickseed's long-blooming flowers, ease of care, and bright colors make it an excellent addition to almost any garden. The foliage is often finely textured, with some species having thread-like leaves can blend well with most of the perennials. Speedwell, commonly known as Veronica speedwell, is long-lasting colorful perennial, with attractive spikes, to add a vertical accent to the perennial border. Speedwell perennial adds continuous blooms, starting from late spring through fall season of the year. Veronica plants typically feature spikes or clusters of small, tubular flowers, that bloom in shades of blue, purple, pink, or white, depending on the species and cultivar. Angelonia, also known as summer snapdragon, is a heat-loving, low-maintenance plant that adds vertical interest and continuous blooms to summer and fall gardens. Angelonia is grown as an annual in cooler climates, but grown as a perennial in cold hardiness zone 9 and higher. Angelonia shows clusters of tiny orchid-like flowers, bloom in white, violet and pink racemes blooms, from late summer to early fall. Drift roses are a popular series of low-growing, spreading roses, that combine the best qualities of ground cover roses and miniature roses. Drift roses are prized for their continuous blooms, compact size, and ease of care, making them a favorite for gardeners looking beautiful borders along walkways, and for containers, or as a low hedge. They work well in mass plantings, and can also serve as a colorful ground cover in sunny spots. Pugster butterfly bush. A dwarf variety of butterfly bush, known for its compact size, and large, vibrant flower spikes. The flowers are fragrant and come in a variety of colors, including blue, pink, white, and purple. This compact butterfly bush is loved for its continuous blooms, from early summer to end of the fall season, and strong performance, making it an ideal choice for gardeners. Celosia is a striking annual plant, known for its vibrant, flame-like flowers, and unique foliage. Various species of celosia are excellent for borders, garden beds, and containers. Its vibrant colors make it a standout plant in mixed flower arrangements, and it can also be used as a cut flower for indoor arrangements. The colors are usually bright, and include shades like red, orange, yellow, pink, and purple. Blooms typically shows up in mid-summer, and continue to bloom through fall season. Thank you for watching House Talks channel. For more interesting garden ideas, please subscribe to the channel. A new video will be added every week.